Let's make our lives a little bit harder. For the previous one, you had labels. You had pairs of input-output data. Here, you don't have it. The details of the method is online. You can watch it in terms of the big picture. Previously, you knew your pairs of data. For each sketch, you knew the corresponding image. For each image, you knew the corresponding sketch. Here, you don't have that information. All you have are two sets of images. Perhaps some of your images are taken in summer, some of them are taken in winter, and they're not from the same scene, or you don't know how to match them. This is why you need a framework such as cycle consistency. What do? You take an image from the X domain, push it through a generator that's going to give you a fake image in the Y domain. Now you need to discriminate between the two. You take an image from the Y domain, you generate a fake image in the X domain. Now you need to have a discriminator discriminating between real and fake for the X domain. This is how you're going to be training your generators. At the same time, you want F and G to be inverse of each other. The generator that takes you from X to Y and Y to X, they need to be inverses of each other. And then you're going to be enforcing this equality as much as possible in your loss function. And that's it. You have a GAN loss in the X domain, GAN loss in the Y domain, and a cycle consistency loss. And your GAN loss is the one coming from least squares loss. We covered it. There is also this trick that you can learn about here, or you're going to learn about it when we do reinforcement learning, that you can keep a buffer of generated images. And each time that you are using your discriminator could sample from that buffer rather than looking the images that are being freshly generated by your generator. You're going to have a buffer of those images, and you're going to update your discriminator based on that. And this is not a perfect setup. You can make mistakes. So there is room for improvement. Any questions so far? Was everything clear? Okay, awesome.